Did you know you don't need expensive AI tools to create talking AI avatars?
I'm about to show you how to make AI avatars like this, completely for free.
So in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the exact process I use to create talking AI avatars like these for YouTube automation channels like these ones that are generating thousands of dollars each month without showing their face or revealing their identity. So by the end of this video, you will have everything you need to create your talking AI avatar without spending a single dollar. Alright, so the first step is to creating our AI avatar image. Here's the thing, before we jump into actually creating your avatar, you're going to want to have a rough idea of what you want your avatar to actually look like. Now, if you want to get inspired, you can totally look at some other creators or maybe someone you want to look like and use that as a reference image, or you could use an AI avatar that actually looks like yourself. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to go with someone who actually looks like me. Now, the thing is, you can even take someone else's photo and do the same exact process. But for this example, I'm going to go with my own look. So first thing, I'm going to head over to my YouTube channel and take a screenshot of myself in my studio. So the next step is going to be turning this image into a completely different image. I'm going to show you two different tools to do this with. First one is ChatGPT image generator. So what I'm going to do is head over to ChatGPT and press on this upload button, upload the image, and ask it to describe this image for me. Now, ChatGPT is going to describe the image in detail, and you can literally do this with whatever image you have. It could be an image of yourself, an image of your inspired character, or a YouTuber. So Chat's going to give you this descriptive details, and here's where it gets interesting. I'm actually going to ask it to give me a prompt for AI image generators to create the same style as this image. Now, ChatGPT is going to give us detailed prompt to generate the exact style of this image. Now, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy this prompt and open up a new chat, press on tools and create image, and then paste my prompt right here. It's going to give us a similar style of image, but not exactly the same person. And that's actually the whole point. You don't want to copy it exactly. You want to get inspiration from it and have the same style, same exact look. We can also edit the places we don't like and remove the sections we don't want. So for this example, if I don't like this part, I'll just remove that part entirely and press generate. It looks pretty good. And here's the thing, it doesn't actually look exactly like me, and that's literally the whole point. And if you're not getting the look you're going after, or you've hit your daily limit, that's exactly why I always keep Leonardo AI as my backup option. Let me show you how to use that too. So first thing, you're going to want to head over to Leonardo.ai and sign up for a free account. Now, here's the thing, you get 150 credits daily, which is honestly more than enough for what we're doing here. Alright, so once you're in, you're going to click on image, and here's what we're going to do. I'm going to use the same prompt from before, but actually I'm going to delete this last part because we're going to choose the aspect ratio in the setting options right here instead. Now, I'm pretty happy with the AI model and all the setting we've got going on, so I'm just going to press generate. It's going to give us 4 options we can choose from, so basically you'll have some variety to work with once it's done processing. So they all look pretty good. For some reason, it made it super jacked, which I'm not complaining about it at all. If that's what you're going for or you're happy with it, you can totally choose it. But actually, I'm going to go with the one that ChatGPT gave us instead. So I'm going to download the image that ChatGPT gave us, and now we have our base avatar image, but we need to make it talk. Alright, so to bring our avatar to life, we're going to use a tool called DupDub AI. Just head over to dupdub.com. I've also dropped the link in the description to make it easier. Now, the nice thing about DupDub AI is that it gives you a 3-day free trial, and you don't need to put your credit card or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and click on sign up for free. I'm just using my Gmail to sign up, and boom, we're in. Once you're logged in, look for the AI actor option and click on it. DupDub already has a bunch of pre-made avatars that you can choose from. They even have a new option called motion avatar, which looks a lot more realistic and natural in terms of movement. If any of the avatars there catches your eyes, feel free to go with one of those templates. They're actually really solid, but for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to animate an avatar we already created using ChatGPT. So I'll click on upload face photo, pick the image of my avatar, and next up, we need to choose a voiceover. Over on the right-hand panel, you'll see a section called voiceover. DupDub has a whole library of voiceover you can use, but here's the cool part. If you already have a voiceover, like something you made with 11 Labs or even recording of your own voice, you can upload that too. You can also record something new right inside DupDub if you want to. For now though, I'll just use one of the voices from DupDub's library. So I'm clicking on AI voiceover, then I'm gonna filter by ultra quality, select adult for age, male for gender, and then pick the language and accent I want. After that, I'll type the script I want my actor to say and hit generate talking avatar, then hit generate again. It might take a few minutes depending on how long your script is, but once it's done, your AI avatar is ready. Let's take a look.
If you like this video, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel.
Honestly, the result looks pretty solid. I would say it's even better than a lot of the ones that I've seen out there on YouTube. Some of those have thousands of subscribers and millions of views, and this still holds up. Let me show you a couple more examples. So this one here, I made it using one of the DupDub's motion avatars.
If you like this video, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel.
And then there's this one I made using gesture mode, which gives the avatar a bit more movement and energy.
If you like this video, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel.
Oh, and one last thing. If you want to take it a step further, you can actually record a short video of yourself and DupDub will create a full clone of you as an avatar. This is easily comparable to avatars that you see on YouTube that are making thousands of dollars with their content. You can create educational content, product review, tutorials, all without ever showing your face. So I've put links to all these tools in the description for your easy access. Now, if you want to see how I made an AI influencer that talks and moves, click on the video on the screen right here and I'll see you there.